I've noticed that there really never seems to be enough time, period. And when I see my kids growing up, their childhood is flying by, and how Zoe is already grown and that childhood is done, and that's time that you never get back.
Lisa Bonet, the name that effortlessly conjures images of timeless beauty, raw talent, and an enchanting aura that has captivated audiences for decades. This versatile actress has left an indelible mark on the entertainment industry, with a career spanning over 4 decades. From her breakthrough role as Denise Huxtable on The Cosby Show, to her captivating performances in films like Angel Heart and High Fidelity, Lisa Bonet has continually proven herself as a force to be reckoned with. However, not just her acting prowess has garnered attention. Her striking appearance and youthful glow have also become a subject of fascination for many. While so many actresses keep their looks with the helps of creams, pills, or procedures on their body, Bonet has taken a much more natural approach to staying healthy. In this video, we'll delve into the intriguing world of Lisa Bonet, unraveling the layers of her life that have shaped her into the mesmerizing woman we know today. Born on November 16, 1967, Lisa Bonet burst onto the scene and into our hearts as one of Bill Cosby's daughters on the legendary show The Cosby Show at just 17 years old. Now at 55, with a career still going strong, it's hard to believe she has graced us with her beauty and talent for almost 40 years. I mean, when you can pull a rock star and the king of the sea under your spell, you must be doing something right. Her parents divorced when she was young, and she was raised by her mother Arlene, a music teacher. Lisa's passion for acting developed at an early age, and it was her role as Denise Huxtable on The Cosby Show that catapulted her to fame in the mid-1980s. Her portrayal of the free-spirited and independent Denise resonated with audiences worldwide and established her as a rising star. Throughout her career, Lisa Bonet has consistently challenged societal norms and embraced her own unique style. She effortlessly blends a bohemian sensibility with the edgy elegance, creating a distinctive fashion statement. Her ethereal beauty, combined with her fearless and unconventional choices, has made her a style icon. Maintaining such radiant beauty and a youthful appearance requires a well-balanced lifestyle.
What's in it and what's it doing to our body, it's very scary. It's not good for us, and it's not good for the planet.
Which brings us to Lisa Bonet's diet. Known for her holistic approach to wellness, Bonet follows a primarily plant-based diet. Lisa Bonet is mostly vegan, and at one point she was strictly vegan, but has since loosened her regulations to include some non-vegan options, such as bone broth, which includes collagen for her joints and bones, as well as protein. Bonet makes sure to eat raw unpasteurized butter, which means that it retains all of the original vitamins and minerals from the milk. No matter what she's eating, however, you can bet one thing: it's organic and unprocessed. She prioritizes organic and locally sourced foods, emphasizing whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins such as tofu and tempeh. She has toasted gluten-free sourdough with raw butter, bone broth, and scrambled eggs and coconut oil for breakfast. In addition, she incorporates nutrient-dense superfoods like kale, quinoa, and chia seeds into her meals, ensuring a rich supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Lisa Bonet strongly advocates for the food as medicine philosophy, recognizing the profound impact of proper nutrition on overall well-being. "I'm about putting food in my body that nourishes me," says the goddess. For example, she reveals that her daughter had a chronic nighttime cough that would not go away until she removed gluten from her diet, and now the cough has vanished. She avoids processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives, opting for natural alternatives. Bonet also embraces the power of hydration, drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep her skin hydrated and glowing. In addition to her conscious food choices, Lisa Bonet places great importance on mindfulness and intuitive eating. She listens to her body signals and eats when genuinely hungry, paying attention to portion sizes and savoring each bite. This mindful approach allows her to maintain a healthy weight and sustain radiant energy levels.
We don't live to eat, we eat to live, and we seem to forget that.
But of course, diet alone cannot be credited for Lisa Bonet's ageless beauty and enviable physique. Regular exercise plays a vital role in her wellness routine. In addition, Bonet is a proponent of holistic fitness, incorporating various physical activities into her regimen to achieve a balanced and harmonious approach to fitness. Bonet was a gymnast when she was young, so she enjoys yoga and Pilates. They help her maintain physical strength and flexibility and cultivate mental clarity and emotional well-being. In addition, she finds harmony between body, mind, and spirit through regular yoga sessions. Besides yoga, Bonet enjoys outdoor activities like her ex-husband Lenny Kravitz, which keeps her active and connected to nature. Lisa Bonet said in the New York Times, "I take an African dance class that I live for. I just walked in one day and I've been doing it pretty regularly for 7 years now." She often takes long walks, running, hikes or biking, relishing the benefits of fresh air and the calming effect of being in natural surroundings. Strength training is another vital component of Lisa Bonet's workout routine, so she attends the gym regularly. Bonet incorporates body weight exercises, resistance bands, and light weights to build and tone her muscles. By challenging her body with strength training, Bonet not only enhances her physical strength, but also promotes bone health and overall vitality. In addition to her physical fitness pursuits, Lisa Bonet prioritizes self-care and stress management. She engages in activities like meditation, journaling, and spending quality time with loved ones to nurture her emotional well-being. This holistic approach to wellness allows her to radiate a sense of balance and inner peace. Lisa has credited much of her youthfulness to facialist Dale Barak and Rhonda Allison. She swaps between their products depending on how her skin looks and feels that day. Lisa has stated that she uses products that boost cell turnover at night and a cleanser in the morning to eliminate any dead skin cell buildup. Bonet's beauty secret for her glowing skin is her love for organic coconut oil, which she uses regularly. Bonet says she uses organic coconut oil to moisturize her hair and body because it's simple and pure. She says, "Why put a lotion on your body that has 10 ingredients when you can put on one that's from nature and smells divine?" Of course, she knew about it before the craze, because she's that cool. However, she's not a fan of tweezing. Bonet also uses essential oils as fragrances. She says that you can't go wrong with rose. Lisa says that she likes the Weleda rosemary hair oil, and she washes her dreads regularly. Lisa Bonet said, "I usually use the Wind cleansing conditioner. If I'm looking for a really deep clean, I use the Phyto products. After I wash my hair, I oil my hair up. If I don't add oil or overwash, it can become brittle." Bonet's commitment to overall well-being shines through. Her unwavering dedication to living a balanced and mindful life serves as an inspiration to us all. Through her timeless presence and captivating energy, one of Bonet's well-known beauty secrets is her radiant smile. She believes in the power of a positive mindset and finding joy in life's simple pleasures. By maintaining a positive outlook and surrounding herself with positivity, she exudes an inner radiance that adds to her ageless beauty. Moreover, Lisa Bonet's commitment to holistic wellness extends beyond her personal life. She has been an advocate for environmental causes and sustainable living. Bonet actively supports organizations that promote eco-friendly practices and raises awareness about climate change. Her dedication to living in harmony with the environment is reflected in her lifestyle choices, such as using natural and organic beauty products, reducing waste, and supporting local and ethical brands. Lisa Bonet's captivating lifestyle is a testament to her unwavering commitment to self-care and living a balanced life. However, it is essential to note that each individual's journey to health and well-being is unique. What works for Lisa Bonet may only work for some. It is crucial to consult with healthcare professionals and tailor dietary and fitness plans to personal needs and goals. Lisa Bonet's enchanting presence and timeless beauty have made her an icon in the entertainment industry. Bonet inspires others to prioritize their well-being. As we navigate on our own journeys toward health and vitality, we can look to Lisa Bonet as a beacon of inspiration, reminding us of the transformative power of embracing a balanced and holistic lifestyle. As we explore Lisa Bonet's ageless beauty secrets, we come to realize that her timeless beauty is not solely the result of external practices. It is a reflection of her inner harmony, self-care, and holistic approach to well-being. By nourishing her body, mind, and spirit, Lisa Bonet has unlocked the secrets to defying time and embracing ageless beauty.